Hello guys, today we will be discussing about HiveNet. First we will be discussing about the theory part, and it comes with a this is a purely feed forward thing and unsupervised learning. And remember this formula, this is a important thing over here. Del W is equal to XIY. Then we come for architecture, this is a single layer thing, bias is one always, input output is these are all basic things, you can go through this. And here we come for the architecture in the means just the procedure what we need to do to find the answer. And we will go for then we'll go for problems here. Explaining problem will be better than doing architecture thing, algorithm. Yeah, first of all, the question will be like this. They will be giving the whole thing all over this thing, and they'll be indicating this is whether bipolar or other thing. Other thing will be 101 binary, and the thing is bipolar. So the first and foremost thing we need to initialize the weight here. So remember that whenever we are using FNet, if the first W1 and W2 B will be 0, means we are initializing everything equal to 0. Then we will be having a formula, set of formulas which are very important to find this. Just remember these two things. Del W is equal to XIY, del B is equal to Y. Del new, this is weight updation. The important thing in FNet is weight updation. Del W new is equal to W old plus W del W. Here we come for the problem. First thing is wait, I'll change the marker. First thing is copy the whole question similarly. First four rows, columns, everything will be same mostly. Up to here it will be same. Then for the del W1 multiply x1 into y, which will be this thing. Then in the similar manner form I will change into other color. For the similar manner multiply x2 into y for till w2. Similarly we need to multiply for all other things, as I will be giving other example. Take this x1 into y, 1 into minus 1, which is minus 1 here. Similarly for del w2 minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, this is plus 1 should be the little bit changes over there. Then similarly we'll be doing, then we come for del b. Del b is nothing, same, copy the y value fully and write it. This thing is to be here, full of thing is same. Then for w1 here is the main thing, weight updation. First we will be doing del new, w new. Take w new, this is a w new value. To find this we need to add the old value plus del w. Old value is nothing but del, yeah, we have initializing weight will be giving 0. So w old is 0, then w1 is this one, adding 0 plus 1 is the thing. Here comes 1. Similarly for del w, w2 will be adding w old, which is 0 plus w2, which is 1. So it will be 1. Then similarly for the next row, we need to take the previous as the input, previous as a w old. Here we got w1, here we got 1, right? So we are taking w old as 1, 1 plus minus 1, which is 0 here. Okay, similarly we'll be doing this. Then for b value is similarly, right, take the y value and make it over here, it will be the same. That's it guys. Then we will be having some relationship. Mostly they won't be asking these things, but just remember this thing. If they are asking the relationship between x2 and x1, you can write this. That's it, guys. And then this is the other thing. You can try this by yourself. It will be easy thing. Thank you, guys. And I have uploaded this in the description. You can download it and you can use it.